David, and this is our neighbor's pet parakeet, Tony. So earlier this week, our neighbors had to leave town because they were going on a trip, and they needed us to take care of Tony. Except at the same time, we also had to go on a trip elsewhere, and we were really worried about how Tony would be. So we thought of a way to feed him and to entertain him and to watch him by using Alexa and Mindstorms. So this is our solution. We call it the Parakeet Babysitter. It consists of 3 objects. This one to entertain the bird, this one to feed it, and this one for surveillance. I will now explain what they're going to do. This is the entertainer. It's meant to drum on the parakeet's cage, which they like, and so they'll sort of have a bit of entertainment through drumming. So when we say, Alexa, entertain the parakeet, then this program will start. And what it will do is it'll drum on the cage with these little arms, entertaining the parakeet. Play with the parakeet. This is our bird feeder. When we say, Alexa, feed the bird, then it will dump the tray of food into here, into this tray, and Tony will be able to eat the food. Alexa, feed the bird. Are you okay, Tony? You alright? Lastly, we've created a surveillance system that can allow us to watch over Tony using a smartphone that is connected to all of these motors, which allow us to move the camera around and see from different angles and views, and we're able to watch the parakeet with another device from far away. Alexa, move the camera left. This is our Parakeet Babysitter.